this piece then snaps over the screws, at least it did on the original Ford one. Yeah. Is that? I can't see with the kid there. There we go. No, I got it backwards. It goes this way.
Were you able to figure out why my radio wasn't working in the first place?
It was dead. Only thing it did, its last action was to eject the CD.
Oh, that's okay.
Fortunately, and it's in there now, and we can listen to it.
You want to listen to
You
Colby
put it back
Callie's?
in there.
I put it in your radio.
You found it.
Oh,
in the
yeah.
glove.
Here we go. We gotta take some screws out of here. Are you ready? Let me show you. Are you ready? This piece comes out.
Yeah.
Oh, that's not a screwdriver bit. No. Nope. That's a Torx bit.
Yeah.
So we gotta go find another tool. There's two screws. Can you sit down right here, Bubs? Hey, what are you doing, Biddy? Not that screwdriver. We're gonna use this Torx bit. Sit down, Biddy. We gotta unscrew these screws right here. Move the screwdriver, Bubs. We don't need the screwdriver right now. That doesn't fit. We gotta use these. I know. That one's too big. Here, Biddies. You want to help take the screws out? I'll show you. This is the Torx bit. Oh, bump noggin. Over here. There's a screw right here. Can you get the screw? Let Biddies get that one. You're going to help this one. Where are you putting that screw, Biddies? We don't want to lose it. Put it in here. Alright, this one, Bubs is going to help with this one, Biddy.
Me.
You too.
No, me. Mama.
Mama?
Boo-boo.
That's my boo-boo.
Hey, look, we fixed it.
You remember those buttons?
Yeah.
I remember those buttons too.
Yeah, we fit that with a same car.
Well, that thing we bought for
Yeah.
for your cousin Sarah's car,
Yeah.
did it have one of these in it?
Yeah.
You recognize it?
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I see about that.
Now we're working on the actual car that has the buttons.
Yeah.
Four-way flashers. You see that screw? Let me help loosen it some more. Hey, Buff, can you get this screw out?
Yeah, I can. Ow! Can I do it? Can I do it?
Here, you loosen it, Buff. Put it in here.
Got it.
Put it in here. Okay. Now, guess what? This part comes out like this. Uh-huh.
Got this under.
Got to fix something under there.
Yeah.
Does this come out? And we unplug this wire? And this stuff comes out with the AC vents.
Yeah.
What do you think, Biddies? Look what we got out.
We got it.
We got this part.
Yeah. Like you set it down.
Well, this is the radio right here. We're going to take this out next.
Oh.
And we need this tool.
And this tool.
See these screws?
Yeah. Like here.
Not that screwdriver right there, Bubs. Just this tool.
Like you set it out.
Can you take that screw that I'm loosening out, Bubs?
Yeah.
What did you just push?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm not sure why the headlights are on, Bubs, but we need to make sure they turn off.
Okay.
Are they still on?
Yeah.
Look at that, Bub.
Isn't it?
And then this unplugs. And then this unplugs.
Yeah.
Look, this is the radio. And it's hot right here, man. Woo! Something's wrong right there. It's hot back here, too. It's just been sitting there being hot.
Yeah.
Alright, now we gotta take this off. Here you go, baby. You wanna shut the door?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's gonna get real hot in here with doors shut. Real hot, real fast. Okay, y'all like it hot.
Put it. Gotta get it out.
Yep, that's gotta come out. How'd you know we gotta take that out, Bubs?
We gotta take that out.
We gotta open the doors to get some breeze in here.
Yeah.
It's getting a little too warm with no breeze. I'm gonna open this. Yeah, that's better. Can you open that door, Bubs? Pull on the handle. Look, Betty. What do we do with this? Look, Bubs. Look, we gotta take the air conditioner vent out of this, Bubs. Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Are you looking? You're not looking at what I'm doing. You're looking at what you're doing. Look, Bubs. You're not even looking. See? Hey, look. This came out. This is the passenger side air conditioner vent. We're gonna put it up here for right now. And then we gotta take this one out. Are y'all laughing? Driver's side air conditioner vent. We're gonna set that up there for now. Now we don't need this. We don't need this. Look, Betty. We took this out of here. Flip it over, Bubs. Hey, Betty. Look at what we got. We took this one out.
Now we gotta put this one.
You're right. We're gonna put that one in, but we gotta do our first function test. We gotta plug this wire in.
Yeah.
Oh no, that's an adapter. Let's see. I'm going to take this little adapter out. And we're going to plug this wire in and see if it works, okay? Oh, I heard the doors. Push it again. You hear the blinkers? This is the red button. Push the red button. That turns off the flashers.
Yeah.
So our first function test works. The doors lock and unlock. And the flashers work. Okay, we need to stop pushing the button. You want to push it one time? Go ahead, Betty. Oh, Mommy wants to help too? Okay, let Betty push it. Take a break, Bubs. You hear it, Betty?
Mama.
Okay, we're done with that function test. You gonna help put the radio in, Betty?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the radio in. Go put the radio in. We got it ready. Yes, that's the little camera. Now, sit down, Betty. We're gonna put this in. We need the microphone.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's the microphone. And we need the GPS antenna?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh.
Ooh.
We gotta hook up the rear view camera. Let's do that next. Plug that right in. Put some tape on it. What are you doing with my wires, Betty? What are you doing with my wires? This is the rear view camera, which we don't have yet, but I'm hooking it up for when we do have it. What is this? Audio video input. 4-channel conductor. Need the main thing. This be the main thing. Alright, that's plugged in. And here is the GPS. Finally, Where you going, Betty? Whoa, you want to sit in on this side with Daddy? Can you? Oh, man. It's going to get hot in here with that door shut. Yeah. Look, Bits. That's where the radio goes. That's where it goes. What do you think, Bits? You like it there? Is that where you always wanted it? It's too hot for that door to be shut. Okay, Biddies. I hear you. Now we need USB black for the iPhone, I think they said. And USB other color, gray. Oh, no blinking. That's the blinkers. We're not going to adjust those right now. No. Oh, don't forget the antenna. Are you helping? Are you my helper? Boo boo? Why don't you go sit over here, Biddies? Can you sit right here? Bring cat car. There you go. Yeah, you can stay right there. Watch me tape. You can watch me work from there. I hear you, Biddies. I hear you, Biddies. I hear all about it. Don't shut it. No, it's too hot. I need the breeze. I need all that breeze, Biddies. I might as well plug this antenna wire in. Dash cam we don't need. Video out we don't need. We do actually have that hooked up for future reference. Let's get the antenna plugged in right here. That's the last one we're plugging in, Biddies. Right there. That fits real snug. I'm not going to tape it. No tape for that one. No tape for that one. Now, that's two USBs. And that was the input channel. Okay, Biddies. Now we need to put some bolts in here. Snug it up. Don't pull on that. No, you're being too rough with the blinkers. We don't need to blink anyway. We're not going anywhere. No, we don't have the keys in there. We're not driving, so we don't need the blinkers. Now, Daddy's got to make this radio fit just right. Okay, Biddies? We're going to snug it up. Set this right here for now. Yes, we have to make it all fit. Okay, this radio is too far back. Can I still move it? There we go. Pull the radio up. Screws are just loose so that I can move it. Let's go find the screwdriver. I think it's over here, Petey. Over here. Maybe left it out front. Or maybe not. Why are the headlights on? Did you turn the headlights on? Shame on you. That is very close to the right fit. Oh, thank you, Biddies. You shut the door on Daddy again. We gotta tighten the radio right where it's at, Biddies. Right where it's at. Gotta be tight. Yes, that's a connector. Yeah. Let's test it and make sure it works. We got all the connections sort of hooked up. I got to turn on the car with the key. That works. Listen.
Big939.com. Now mobile friendly wherever you go. Big939.
Doesn't have a CD. Let's see if the CD works. Oh, there's a CD. We started the car. There's the music. We got this ready to navigate button. Oh, look, there's our map. We got a GPS too, biddies. This is my last test fit because we've got everything tight. All the screws are tight, biddies. Don't poke the dash with the key. That's a no-no. No, I'm putting this away. You're in trouble now. No poking the dash, I said. With the light that I have, that's snapped. That's where that sits. And the radio looks like it lines up perfect. I did my final adjustment with all the wires plugged in. Now, biddies, now that that's there, we have to assemble this thing. Alright, we need that. I tied that up mistakenly. We installed the vents back into this thing finally. We're on the last stretch. Those work. Cousin Sarah's in a hurry to get back home. So here we go. Make it fast. So this is the first time this has been assembled. You can't put it together until the radio fits right. And you can't make the radio fit right and lock it all in until you get all the wires in place. One step at a time. The Apple CarPlay only works with the black USB, it says, and that doesn't make any sense to my mind. There's no real difference in the cables. Where they go. It must be in the radio, but you can plug an Android into either. What kind of phone do you have? Okay, well you can plug an Android in and get whatever their CarPlay is with either one. But according to Kenwood, you got to plug the Apple into the black one. The moment of truth. Y'all saw me plug in the two USBs, right? Yeah, everything's plugged in. Input's plugged in. Oh man, it's a lot harder to get in here with everything in there. Here we go. Now, if the connectors line up, it'll snap. That's right. That's right.
I like how it looks. It's a lot sleeker and prettier. There's the radio.
Oh, not this song. This song is sad.
My dad doesn't like this song either.
I don't like this song. It's sad.
Yeah.
I hate it.